Meaning of herald to.
Herald to.
Herald to.
Herald to.
Herald to. Harold II refers to Harold Godwin's son, who was the last Anglo-Saxon king of England. He reigned from January 5, 1066 until his death on October 14 of the same year. His reign was marked by the Norman conquest of England, during which he faced and ultimately succumbed to William the Conqueror in the Battle of Hastings. Harold's brief reign came to define a pivotal moment in English history, as it marked the end of Anglo-Saxon rule and the start of Norman dominance.